Jaime, congratulations. You get the win, you defend your title, but you really had to work to do it. What did you think of the fight?
Creo que fue una buena pelea para el público. Para mí, la verdad, fue una buena pelea que me dejó una gran experiencia. El rival era demasiado fuerte, venía a todo. Yo, la verdad, también venía a darlo todo y él lo dejó arriba del ring. Quiero felicitarlo y quiero dedicarles esta pelea a toda la gente que me vio, a toda la gente que vino a verme. Muchas gracias.
I think it was a great fight. He was a great warrior, and I just want to dedicate this fight to all the people who came to see me. It was a great battle for me.
You knew coming in that he was going to try to apply a lot of pressure to you, but you landed some big shots on him throughout the fight. Were you surprised he was able to take them?
Sí, la verdad es que me dejó sorprendido su fuerza. La verdad es un rival demasiado fuerte. Mis respetos. Gracias a Dios supimos pues no guardar la distancia. Se nos metió un poquito, pero supimos recibirlo con buenos golpes. Entonces fue que obtuvimos la victoria. Aparte, creo que me pegó muchos golpes acá atrás en la cabeza. Entonces, pues no hay pretextos. Lo bueno que ganamos y es una nueva experiencia.
I was surprised by him. He did great, but I also received a lot of punches on my back of my head. But I obtained the title. I got the win, and that's what matters.
You have talked about how hard it is to make 154 pounds. Did making weight for this fight have any effect on your conditioning?
¿Te afectó en esta pelea?
Yo creo que no. Yo creo que sí batalla un poco para dar la 154, pero creo que con el cuidado necesario se pueden dar. Entonces, pues no hay pretextos, a seguir avanzando y a seguirle brindando espectáculo a la gente.
There's no, I did great. Yes, there was no problem, but I would do anything for 164 pounds.
You have a mandatory title that your team is lining you up for sometime in the spring. Is it worth it to you to make 154 again, or would you like to go to 160?
Después de algunas peleas, quiero subir a las 160.
After a few fights, I want to stay 160.
You know, you put on such a great performance. Demetrius Andrade was out there. He was watching, and he was tweeting that he'd like to face you at 160 pounds. What do you think of that fight?
Sí, claro que sí. Bienvenido. Yo acepto el reto.
Of course, I will accept the challenge.
Congratulations.
Felicidades.
Thank you. Viva México y gracias a todos los que me vinieron a ver.
Guys.